Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video for a 2022 Chrysler Voyager LX. This is a see with the key fob. I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. Got a handle on either side. I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do. I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this 34-inch ramp might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry, if you're in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of the van. Not the case with the rear entry. Rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, like snow drifts this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I prefer the rear over the side, but we sell both. So if you're looking for a side entry, give me a call. These have the deep cut channel. They're about a foot longer than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking for length to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time or have plenty of room for a gurney or a stretcher, this Chrysler might be the answer for you. 800-pound weight capacity. About 32 inches there clearance where the ramp sets. Got the 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. Then about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van and inside the van. We can put a third row flip base seat in here that'll flip down so you can haul 6 plus a wheelchair. We've got flip base seats we can put in here to clear the entire canal there if that's important to you. Let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner's in great shape. You got your cup holders over here. I got the upgraded Q-Strength tie downs at no additional charge to you. And you got your Q-Strength instructions and warranty there. A nice center console. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone over here. Got your backup camera, dual climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics, plenty of cup holders, and of course you can shut all the power doors up there on the center console as well. So when you get everybody secure, come back out. I'll reverse the process. One finger, super simple to do. Check it out. Just like so. Clamp it down, and you are ready to roll. You can shut all the power doors from inside just like so. As I do a walk around of the van, it's got the tinted windows, it's got the alloy wheels. We just put brand new, I mean brand new, the Yokohama. We didn't skimp. We spent some money and put brand new tires. You can see they still got the stickers on them there. Brand new tires. So with our brand new tires on here, this van is essentially a brand new van. Just, a few miles on it, but for thousands, and I mean thousands less. So why buy brand new and lose $5,000-$10,000 a day you drive it off the lot? You buy my van, you can sell it for the exact same price you bought it for, no depreciation. So don't buy new, buy gently used and save $10,000-$15,000, and ours comes with the free shipping. So as I do a walk around of the van, it's very clean, excellent condition. Hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's sure not far from it, I'll tell you that. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video, not just a picture, but get a video of the VIN number sticker. And why I say that, had a guy call me today, and he told me someone was trying to sell one of my $45,000 vans on Facebook Messenger for $8,200. He even produced a title with a VIN number on it. With AI these days, it's crazy what they can do. But anyways, someone was about to royally scam him. So get this video. That means the vehicle's here in my possession. I'm not trying to sell an imaginary vehicle. I've got it here with me. No matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of that VIN number right there. All right, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it. Shows one owner, no accident or damage. Last owned in nice salt rust-free Colorado. Yeah, they get some snow, but it's not the snow, ice and salt. They don't do all that stuff like the out east. So Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of those super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Carfax shows the vehicle went into service 5/13 of 2022, so it meets the specs to be under the full factory bumper-to-bumper warranty until 5/13/2025, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first, and also meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty until 5 13, 20, 27, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, look up their reputation, look up their reviews. Find us on eBay, 1,450 transactions, 100% positive feedback. All 1,450 transactions left us positive feedback. I'd say that's a good reputation if I've ever seen one. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google, make sure they are a real company. You can find us here on, see we're here in Wichita, Kansas, our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time, they tell me how they found a vehicle, like I said, on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, from a private individual on a deal that was just too good to be true. They end up buying it, getting scammed out of their life savings, buying a vehicle they can't get a title for, a complete lemon. So, you know, be careful if you're buying out there from private individuals. They are not held to any standard. They're not governed like dealers are. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. They didn't take 5 minutes to look up who they are buying from. They are buying from a shyster, unfortunately. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, you go ahead and buy from them. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to speaking with you. All right, and on the remote here on the key, you got the remote start button. So whether you want to come out to an air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want to come out with heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the frost is all ready to go, this remote start is a nice option. We do have the one key fob. If you want additional key fobs made on your dime, we can sure do that. And I do like this option. It's the keyless, the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. You just push your foot on the brake, push the start button, the van fires up. As you can see, 40,574 miles. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Okay, the radio works. And we've got our heated seats and our heated steering wheel here. If you've never tried a heated steering wheel, it'll change your life. Pretty cool option right there to have. And if you're going to use this van commercially, you can hit the off button. What that will do, make all these doors manually so you can open and shut them quickly without risking doing any damage to the door or door motor. And as you know, if you're running a business, time is money. Swing those doors open, get on with your business, and get on to the next. The back seats here, great shape, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those moving right now. Show you this power mirror moving up and down right there. I'm going to move over to the other side. See that mirror, that window, that mirror there. Rolling back up here. Let's go this way. There we go. I actually hit the wrong button. There we go. I can roll up a window up and down. I swear, I'm not the smartest man in the world, but I can do that. So my point is, we checked over the belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Obviously put brand new tires on it. Hope you can tell by our videos. We are very thorough in everything we do. We do not just run these through the car wash and put them on our lot. They go through a full inspection. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. Purrs like a kitten, and like I mentioned, still meets the specs to be under the full factory warranty. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any leaks or any fluid leaks. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's a 2022 and it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. That is the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. What I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition, whether it's an individual or a dealer, and I want you to ask yourself, does this person or this company show me their reputation so I know I'm buying from a reputable person or business? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that hasn't been in a major accident? No floods, nothing like that. That's just exhaust right down there just dripping. That's what exhaust does if it hasn't been driven for a while. That's totally normal. Do they get on their hands and knees and take pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you as the buyer know the vehicle's not covered in rust, there's no signs of a flood, the frame's not all crinkled up underneath from an accident. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are, showing you the vehicle that's going to show up in your driveway, please, please, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that just got frame damage from an accident or from a flood, or if you buy a vehicle that you can't get a title for, you cannot register it, you cannot drive it. You just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. I don't care who it is. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it, just like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month. I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and I want you to know what you're getting. That's the difference buying from me. I own this company. This is my money. I am buying from the exact same perspective you are. I don't want to buy a junker. I don't want to buy a salvage. I don't want to buy something that's been in a bad accident. So, you know, if you buy from a big company, they're spending someone else's money. They don't care what kind of quality of the vehicle they get. They just care about that paycheck. I care about this van. I care about that van. I care about that van. These are my money. Third thing, get online. Find out who you're buying from. I cannot stress this enough. Check out their reviews and ratings. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Put a little effort into it. And then finally, demand a warranty. We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. If traffic allows it, I'll pop her up to 70 miles an hour. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives like a brand new Voyager. There we go, I got a little runway here. Good acceleration, shifts smoothly, 70 miles an hour in no time. Runs and drives like a brand new Voyager. I got the cruise control set, cruise works good. It's an excellent van. Do keep in mind, it does meet the specs to be under the full factory warranty. But we do sell long-term factory type warranties that go all the way out to 8 years. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they've got tag fees, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, or by the time you add up the shipping, maybe both, that real nice price you saw online jumps what, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000? Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try to make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I do know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video. So if they're hiding something right off the bat before they've ever even talked to you, there's a real good chance there's something else they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, you're more comfortable texting, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, it's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me and sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales. I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not, so no pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, we appreciate you hanging in there. I know it's kind of a long video, but it's a big purchase. There's a lot to see, especially you don't know me from Adam, so I'm just trying to show you what I know about this van. If you would give us a thumbs up on YouTube, that will help us out. We'd really appreciate that. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos. And if you'd like to come take a visit with us, please make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. I'm not sitting there all day with my feet up on the desk waiting for somebody to come in like the typical used car salesman. I'm out here working my behind off every day. More than happy to spend some time with you. Please make that appointment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions where mobility is affordable. Call us today.